Hey guys, it's John from Motion Mazda here. Here's a few hidden features that you didn't know about your key fob. If your vehicle's equipped with memory seats, you may think you only have two memory options. So once you come down here and adjust your leg room, your recline, and even your back support with the lumbar, and then adjust your driver and your passenger side mirror, nice and comfortable. We got the mirrors where we want them, the seat adjusted. All we have to do now is hold the set button and hit the unlock on your key fob. As you see, it will now move the seat and adjust the mirrors for you automatically, giving you an extra programmable function. Another key fob secret is if you tap the unlock button 1, 2, 3 and hold on the fourth, it'll roll the windows down for you, allowing a quick escape of hot air. If you do want to roll the windows back up, you're going to have to go inside the car, so be cautious. Well, there you have it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please leave a like and consider following. Take care now.